Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 32nd tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about the break statement in PHP. We've already seen the break statement in action once when we discussed the switch statement. I told you that in order to ensure that we don't execute all cases in case a match is found between a case label and the value that's passed to the switch statement, we use a break statement. And that is what the break statement stands for actually. If you use it in loops, then it allows you to break out of the loop without continuing with the further iterations. And we're going to check out a very simple example in this tutorial. I've got a file opened up in my text editor. It's called break.php. On line number 6 I have the opening PHP tag. On line number 15 I have the closing PHP tag, and then I've got a for loop statement on line number 7. And this one works with the control variable val, and val initially has the value 1. The test condition for the loop is val less than equal to 20. So we want to loop from 1 to 20 because the update statement increments val by 1 after every iteration, right? But let's say you want to continue with the normal routine behavior till you get to the value 15, and as soon as you get to the value 15 you want to break out of the loop, and you don't want to continue with iterations that work for values from 16 to 20. So if you want to do something like that, then before typing in any other code, and the regular behavior of this loop is to just display the value and the value of the variable val on a new line in every iteration. So we want to see values from 1 to 20 on different lines, but as soon as we get to the value 15 we're going to break out of the loop, so we're not going to see values from 16 to 20, right? That's what break is going to do for us. So you type in the keyword if, and within parentheses you type in the test condition val equals 15. So as soon as this condition is going to evaluate to true, we are going to get inside the body of if, and this statement would execute. And this is not only going to get us out of the body of if, but it's also going to get us out of the body of for. It's going to take us somewhere here, and since we don't have any more code here, nothing's going to happen. But let's say I want some code, so I'll just get a break tag first, and I'll type in echo we are out of the loop, and a semicolon. I'll save the file and I'll execute it in my browser. So break.php, so we see values from 1 to 14. We don't even see the value 15, and then we see the message we are out of the loop. So that is what the break statement does. It gets you out of the loop, whereas the continue statement skips a particular iteration. So if I would have had continue here instead of break, we would have just not seen the value 15, but we would have seen values from 16 to 20. And in fact, let me show that to you. So I'll replace break with continue. I'll save the file, and in the browser I'll refresh. So now we see 1 to 14, and then 15 is missing, and then we see 16 to 20, and then of course the statement we're out of the loop is displayed. But break lets you break out. So, and let me change this to 5. So in this case we'll only see numbers from 1 to 4, and then the message we are out of the loop. So that's what the break statement does. It's a very powerful statement. You would use it not only with switch, but very often with loops too. And I hope you guys had fun watching this tutorial. I'll see you in the next video, in which we'll discuss something interesting and important again for sure, and you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.